Hi friends, today I am going to prepare Mangalorean style Amaranthus curry with added dry fish. To prepare Amaranthus curry, we can use tur dal or dried prawns, but today I am going to use dried anchovies. To prepare the curry, I have taken 1 bunch of Amaranthus leaves and 3/4 cup of dry fish. First, to prep the Amaranthus leaves, I have cut the ends, removed any unwanted leaves, rinsed in water and finely chopped the leaves. To prepare the masala, I have taken 1½ cup of grated coconut, 7 to 8 roasted red chili, 1 tablespoon of roasted coriander seeds, 1/4 tablespoon of roasted cumin seeds, 7 to 8 roasted methi seeds, a pinch of turmeric, 1 onion, 5 to 6 garlic cloves and water as required for grinding, and then prepared a fine paste. Now that the masala is ready, I have cleaned and soaked the dry fish and kept the amaranthus leaves for boiling by adding 1 glass of water, 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 chopped tomatoes and boiled it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I have cleaned the soaked dry fish for about 3-4 times in water and then added it to the boiling amaranthus and left it to cook. This takes another 5 minutes to get the amaranthus as well as the dry fish cooked. To this mixture, I have added the masala and mixed well and let it boil. We can adjust the salt or water if required. The masala is boiled now. The tasty Mangalorean style Amaranthus curry is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye!